This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Unscrew the filter housing cover screws, then lift the cover off of the filter housing and remove the air filter element. Vacuum out any remaining debris from the housing. Install the new filter element with the mesh screen facing up. Install the housing cover, making sure the tabs on the cover are engaged with the housing. Then tighten the screws securely.